Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn on or off incoming calls ringtone on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone diaper. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on sounds and vibration. Then you have your ringing volume right here. Now for you to turn it off, simply turn it down, turn it straight down like this, and you have fully turned off your incoming calls ringing. If you want to turn it on back, simply click on here and then you have it back. It's as simple as that. If you want to adjust the volume of the ringing tone, you can simply control the volume just like so. Everything depends on how you want it to be. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.